Hello, my name is Devin Hollis. I'm a software developer based out of Sterling Heights, Michigan, and today I will introduce you to Disney Fanatico. This is a website fan or a website is a fan's dream come true. It offers users the choice to explore and engage with different universes, accesses information about their favorite characters and franchises, and enjoy an immersive experience, making it a user-friendly platform for fans to explore and enjoy. This is our homepage. As you can see, we have three of the main Disney franchises, Marvel, X-Men, and Star Wars. If you hover over the image, you can see a video. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound. They play a sound and have a little description. Sorry, just a little loud. And all of them have one that are tailored to the character, to the franchises. And so this is the gateway to the character profile section, which has all the characters that we were able to create so far. So if you hover over, it has the same functionality, giving you a description of the character, a tiny video showing just some cool clips from the movie or show that they were in. So I will take you to see some of the features on our on a character profile. So here we have a 3D model. Also, I'll just play it real quick. This is from Sketchfab using a embedded API. So just creates an immersive experience for the user. They can move it around, make it big, make it small. And I will go back to the character page and show you some more features on a different page. So this is the Thor page where at first you get a video background that immediately engages the user. You have links that will take you to the creator. This is the Marvel API that we use to get the data from. And also, if you scroll down, you have a notable actor section that users can click through and view a description of the actor and what movie they were in and the time frame they portrayed this character. Also, the movie section has the same functionality that shows all the movies that the character was in and who portrayed them. If you scroll down, we have some more cool CSS animations that just makes the web page more interactive and more engaging for our users. We also have a video that they can watch that shows multiple clips from Thor or the whatever character profile that they're on. Just let that play for a second.
You're no idiot.
Even when you had two eyes, you see only half.
Okay, and then down here we have this cool animation going on with the words, looking like Thor is electrocuting our box here. And then if you scroll down more, we have a cool little section that shows the different suits from different movies and different shows that Thor was in comics as well. And also we have an event section that shows a main event from this character's life and has a little description down here with an image. And now I will go back to the MCU character page and pass it off to Jabari to talk about the Marvel Comics page.
Hello, my name is Jabari Jackson. I'm based from Charlotte, North Carolina. We're reviewing right now is the comic book character page that caters to different aspects of the Marvel comic book world, where it focuses on like the individual character. So, for example, if we would go to like a character like Thor, it will fetch a list of comics provided from the Marvel API. And if you click on a comic, it should also provide you with information revolving around the comic, such as the name of it, what it was about, its creators that contribute to the comic, and the characters that's featured inside the comic. I'm also going to talk about the comic series page. Whereas this page, whereas the last page, the comic book character page, focuses more on the individual. This page focuses more on a series, giving readers insights into into broader storylines. So if we would go to like as Guardians of the Galaxy, it will fetch you comics for them too. And if you click on the comic, it will also provide you with the name of it, its description, its creators that contribute to it and the characters inside the comic. With that being said, I'm gonna pass the baton on to Krita for her to talk about the X-Men page.
Hi, my name is Karita, and I'm based out of Atlanta, Georgia. I'm going to go ahead and give you a tour of our X-Men page. When you first launch on it, you're going to enter into the X-Men universe. You can hover over the images, and they give off some cool animations whenever you hover over them. And then from there, you can navigate up to the X-Men's Women tab. Click on that, and you get a cool open page comic book website design that I did on there. You're going to click on some of these images and get some cool
Jean Grey
CSS.
is one of the most iconic and
On the
complex
videos,
characters
the
in
videos
Marvel.
will give you a description of the mutants' powers and abilities. And then you can read through the comic book
But what I want to do
series
here,
and get entertainment from that as well. As Devin goes down and show you guys a little bit more of those animations, then we will go ahead and navigate to the X-Men History tab at the top. Okay, once you launch onto this page, this is where we have our X-Men API that I had made on here. Gives you a description of the characters, images, and on the right-hand side, we have some videos that goes through the X-Men history, where newbies that are not
I'll help you out. Back off,
X-Men, they go
Shamrock.
on up, learn about the X-Men from the 60s, going all the way up to the Dark Phoenix. And then for the ones who have been immersed in the universe for so many years, we can continue to love and enjoy the entertainment on these videos. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pass it off to JJ and Thomas, and they're going to talk about our Star Wars page.
Thank you very much, Karita. Hello, everyone. My name is Thomas Grice III, and I am a software developer from New Jersey. I'm thrilled to be here presenting this portion of our collective project with you today. If you're a fan of Star Wars, I'm certain that you will be familiar with who the Jedi and the Sith are. As a fan, have you ever asked yourself, which side would I stand with, light or the dark? With this creative feature, you can now have that question answered for you. JJ, please take it away.
Hello, my name is JJ Mullins, and I'm a web developer based out of Cincinnati, Ohio. I will now discuss the Star Wars page. First thing I'd like you to check out are the glowing lightsabers. These lightsabers are not just images. In fact, they are lines of code given specific positioning and respective class names. Also below that is the questionnaire form that allows users to determine their alignment in the Star Wars universe, working off a point system. We have light side and dark side points, and whichever is higher results in the user being aligned to that side. Devin will now start filling out this form to see where he aligns in the Star Wars universe. And I will now pass it off to Thomas to explain what happens after the button is activated.
Thank you very much. Devin, feel free to hit that button. Excellent. After you've been assigned a faction, you will be presented with different character profiles. These interactive cards pulling their data from the Star Wars API website, giving their names and personal information about them. But the most impressive feature, I think, is that each card can be clicked on, taking the user to a video link that shows some of the most iconic moments from the films and series these legendary characters are associated with. Such as this one, where we're first introduced to Qui-Gon Jinn and Obi-Wan Kenobi in episode 1. Well, that's all for my time on this presentation. Devin, feel free to wrap things up.
Thank you, Thomas. As you can see, these features collectively make the webpage an appealing and informative platform for Marvel and Star Wars enthusiasts, offering a taste of what each franchise has to offer, inviting users to delve deeper into the character profiles and stories. We used a React framework, and we use mostly CSS and not HTML, just CSS and React to create all the effects and elements on our pages. And we also used an API to get most of the data and certain functionalities to where the images are certain sizes, and like the electric animation, we use an API for that too. from a certain site that gives those gifts, like the gift messages or the gift images. And so thank you for your time.